Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Virgin Media Hub 3.0. First, let's unbox your new hub and identify all the components. You should find the hub itself, a power adapter, a coaxial cable, and an Ethernet cable. Before connecting anything, select a good spot for your hub. A central, elevated position, away from obstructions and other electronics, will provide the best Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Now, let's connect the cables. Take the white coaxial cable and firmly screw one end into the cable port on the back of your hub 3.0. Next, connect the other end of this coaxial cable to your Virgin Media wall socket. This is usually a white box with a single port. Finally, plug the power adapter into the hub's power input and then into a nearby electrical wall outlet. With all cables connected, it's time to power on your hub 3.0. Press the power button located on the back. The lights on the front will begin to flash and then stabilize. This process can take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once the white online light is solid, your hub is ready. You can then connect your devices using the Wi-Fi network name and password found on the sticker on the bottom of your hub. To optimize your experience, consider connecting devices like gaming consoles or smart TVs directly to the hub using an Ethernet cable for the fastest, most stable connection. If you encounter any connectivity issues, a simple restart often helps. Just unplug the power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For advanced settings, you can access the hub's admin panel by typing 192.168.0.1 into your web browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.